There's a crossroads. He could have taken out that person. Wanker.
Get off your phone, you dickhead.
Oh my god, that Renault! Wow!
So you could clearly see him coming, slow down himself.
Yeah, but the cyclist went over the crossing.
Oh.
Idiot. Game's in there. When you go right, and then he goes left.
Get off your phone. Jesus. Phone in hand.
Wow! What a knob! Defrost your vehicle, you... Oh! How hard is it?
Backside of the no driving, man.
You mean driving on a straight line?
Whether you're like a freaking 6-year-old that's playing Fortnite, then what a fucking
Jeez, bell
end. I think we said that at the same time, didn't we?
Another idiot.
Her.
No. But it didn't come anything.
I'm pretty good with it,
Where are they going?
He's right down the pavement.
Aye. Fucking idiot, man.
you want your clip in a future compilation, submit it using the Dropbox link below. Please remember to complete the submission form, otherwise we cannot use your clip. And finally, thank you for watching. But remember to subscribe and hit that bell.